Welcome to Road Signs for Driving Tests. In this video, we'll go over 50 must-know road signs that every driver should be familiar with. Whether you're preparing for your driving test or just brushing up on your road knowledge, this guide will help you navigate the streets with confidence. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with all our driving tips. Let's dive right in. This sign indicates that the area is designated for pedestrian access. Drivers must yield to people on foot and proceed with heightened caution. It's often seen near urban centers, crosswalks, or pedestrian-only streets. This sign marks the end of a no-stopping zone. From this point onward, drivers are permitted to stop their vehicles. It's commonly placed after intersections, construction zones, or emergency access areas where stopping had previously been prohibited. A sharp warning that the road ahead features a 180-degree curve to the left, essentially a U-turn in roadway design. Drivers must reduce speed significantly and approach with full control of their vehicle. This sign alerts that you're approaching an intersection with a divided highway. Traffic will be coming from both sides, and the presence of a central median may require two-stage crossing. Drivers should be especially aware of vehicles turning in both directions. A cautionary sign notifying that a speed enforcement camera is monitoring the road ahead. To avoid penalties or fines, drivers must ensure they're adhering to the posted speed limit. What restriction is ending according to this sign? The correct answer is a no-stopping ending. What type of road layout does this sign warn of? It means see divided road intersection ahead. Who is this road sign referring to? It indicates a pedestrians. This sign indicates a path or lane reserved exclusively for horse riders. Motor vehicles and cyclists must not enter. It's typically found in rural or equestrian communities and ensures the safety of both riders and horses along designated routes. Warns that a drawbridge is located ahead. These bridges can rise to allow marine traffic to pass. Drivers should be prepared to stop when warning lights flash or barriers descend, and must wait until it's fully lowered and safe to proceed. This sign marks the point where a dual carriageway ends, meaning the two opposing directions of traffic will no longer be separated by a median. Drivers must be prepared for two-way traffic conditions and adjust their speed and awareness accordingly. A serious warning that a tight 270-degree right-hand loop is approaching. This type of curve loops nearly back on itself and demands a substantial reduction in speed. This regulatory sign sets the maximum allowable speed on the road at 60 miles per hour. Drivers must not exceed this limit, though they may need to drive more slowly if weather or road conditions warrant extra caution. This sign prohibits vehicles that exceed a specified length from continuing along the road ahead. It's typically used near tight curves, short bridges, or tunnel entries where maneuverability is limited. This regulatory sign means heavy trucks are prohibited from using the road beyond this point. This restriction is often in place due to weight limits, bridge safety, residential noise control, or narrow road design. What is the maximum speed shown on this sign? Correct response. B. Maximum speed 60 miles per hour. What roadway configuration ends here? The correct sign is end of dual carriageway. What hazard is this sign warning drivers about? That would be see drawbridge ahead. This sign permits only two maneuvers: continue straight ahead or turn right. Left turns are not allowed. It's commonly used in complex intersections or traffic systems to manage flow and prevent congestion. A historic or preserved UK road sign from before the 1960s Warboys Committee redesign. Though rarely in active use, these signs may still appear in certain areas, indicating speed limits in an older format. This sign designates a campsite with caravan accommodations. Often located in recreational or rural zones, it directs tourists and travelers to areas equipped for overnight stays. This sign indicates the presence of a cycle lane that runs in the same direction as traffic. Motorists must not enter or park in this lane unless permitted, and should exercise extra caution when overtaking cyclists. This sign informs drivers that animal-drawn carts or carriages may be present on or regularly use the road ahead. Typically seen in rural or agricultural areas, it serves as a reminder to slow down and pass such vehicles with care and patience. This directional sign points toward a youth hostel located 200 yards, or 180 meters, away. It's especially helpful for budget travelers or backpackers, and is commonly found in countryside areas. A generic warning sign that indicates potential danger ahead. This sign is often accompanied by a supplemental symbol or message that explains the specific hazard. It alerts drivers to proceed with increased awareness and caution. Which type of historic sign is this? It shows Be a Pre-Warboys Committee Speed Limit Regulatory Traffic Sign. What kind of cycling facility is this sign pointing out? This sign represents B with flow cycle lane sign. What type of general warning does this sign give? It means a danger sign. This sign warns drivers of areas where strong or gusty crosswinds can affect vehicle stability. High-sided vehicles, motorcycles, and light cars are particularly vulnerable. Drivers should reduce speed and grip the steering wheel firmly when passing through these zones. This advance warning indicates that a road junction is just 100 yards ahead. Drivers should begin to slow down, scan for merging traffic, and prepare for possible changes in priority or road layout. This diversion sign instructs drivers to turn right to follow an alternate route, marked with a triangle symbol. It's typically used during road closures or detours, and ensures that drivers can safely rejoin their intended path. The yield sign requires drivers to give way to other traffic before entering or crossing a road. Unlike a stop sign, it doesn't require a full stop unless necessary. But drivers must be prepared to pause and allow others to pass safely. This sign informs drivers that multiple routes may lead to the same destination. It's useful for easing traffic flow by encouraging alternate paths during congestion or roadworks. This warning sign alerts drivers that there is an opening or drawbridge ahead, which may rise to allow boats to pass underneath. Be ready to stop and wait if barriers are lowered or lights are flashing. Where should vehicles go for the triangle diversion? The correct answer is C for triangle diversion, turn right. What does this sign communicate about destinations? It indicates a vehicular traffic may reach the same destination. What special bridge condition does this sign show? It refers to B opening bridge. This sign indicates that a side road joins from the right and that it runs parallel to a railway track. Drivers turning or crossing must be cautious of both vehicular and train traffic when navigating the junction. This directional sign points toward a designated park and ride car park. Drivers can leave their vehicles at the site and switch to public transit for the remainder of their journey, helping to ease congestion in urban centers. A wildlife caution sign that warns of bison potentially crossing or roaming near the roadway. Due to their size and unpredictability, drivers should slow down and remain vigilant, particularly in remote or protected regions. This sign designates a segment of the U.S. Bicycle Route System, a national network of cycling routes. It helps guide long-distance cyclists along safer and more scenic paths across states and regions. This sign prohibits vehicles from parking in the middle of the road, often where a central median or turning lane is present. It helps keep traffic flowing and ensures that emergency and turning vehicles have unobstructed access. This sign warns drivers that the road ahead may become slippery, especially under wet or icy conditions. It serves as a critical reminder to reduce speed, avoid sudden braking, and maintain a safe following distance to ensure control of the vehicle. This mandatory sign instructs drivers to make a sharp 90-degree left turn. It's commonly found at T-junctions, dead ends, or tight urban corners. Drivers must reduce speed, use proper signaling, and execute the turn with precision. Indicates the conclusion of a designated cycle route or bike lane. Cyclists must be prepared to merge back into regular traffic or follow shared-use paths, and drivers should remain alert to bicycles rejoining the roadway. This sign marks a shared path used by both pedestrians and cyclists. All users should be mindful of each other's space, maintain a moderate speed, and pass carefully. It encourages safer, multimodal transit in urban or recreational areas. What area is parking restricted in by this sign? That would be a no parking middle. What condition of the road is being warned about? This shows see slippery road sign. Which junction detail is illustrated by this sign? The correct response is a side road with parallel tracks, right. A wildlife alert sign that warns of deer commonly crossing the road in the area. Drivers should reduce speed, especially at dawn or dusk, and stay alert. Deer can appear suddenly and often move in groups. This sign offers directional guidance at or near a junction, helping drivers navigate towards cities, towns, or important destinations. It's often used on highways or major roads and can include route numbers, symbols, or local landmarks. This sign marks the end of a dual carriageway, meaning the central median separating opposing traffic will no longer be present. Drivers should be cautious and stay on their side of the road to avoid oncoming vehicles. Indicates the route number accessible via a motorway exit. It's typically placed on approach to the exit, guiding drivers onto state, federal, or local routes for navigation continuity. This sign alerts drivers that road construction or maintenance is in progress ahead. Reduced speed limits, lane shifts, and temporary signals are common. Obey posted instructions to ensure safety for both workers and motorists. Warns of a narrow bridge ahead that may not allow two-way traffic simultaneously. Drivers should slow down, yield if necessary, and proceed only when the path is clear. Large or wide vehicles may require extra caution. This sign notifies drivers of a narrow underpass with limited space or low clearance. It's essential to reduce speed and ensure your vehicle fits the dimensions, especially in older infrastructure or rural areas. Indicates a dedicated bicycle zone, where motorized vehicle access may be limited or restricted. These zones prioritize cyclist safety and may exist near schools, parks, or in urban corridors promoting green transit. This regulatory sign permits vehicles to partially park on the grass verge or sidewalk shoulder when designated. It helps maintain road flow in narrow areas, but requires attention to not block pedestrian paths. What structure does this sign indicate is ahead? It means "Be narrow underpass." What type of bridge is shown on this sign? It represents a narrow bridge. What road type is ending, based on this sign? The correct answer is B, end of dual carriageway sign. A freeway sign that alerts drivers that the two leftmost lanes will exit at an upcoming interchange. Early lane changes are advised to avoid sudden merges or missed exits. This regulatory sign clearly indicates that traffic flows in one direction only. Vehicles attempting to enter from the opposite side are prohibited. These signs are critical in maintaining order and preventing collisions in urban grids and alleys. This sign displays a 3-digit U.S. highway route number commonly seen on national and regional roadways. It helps drivers identify their current route and navigate long-distance travel with confidence across state or interstate systems. This advance warning sign alerts drivers that a junction controlled by a give-way sign lies just 50 yards ahead. It's a cue to gradually reduce speed, assess incoming traffic, and prepare to yield before proceeding through the intersection. A cautionary sign indicating the presence of children in the area, often near schools, playgrounds, or residential zones. Drivers should significantly reduce speed and watch for children potentially entering the roadway. This sign marks the presence of a roadside litter bin. It's part of environmental efforts to keep roadways clean and encourage responsible waste disposal by drivers and passengers. Take the opportunity to dispose of trash legally and respectfully. Indicates that roadworks or construction activity is underway ahead. Expect lane closures and temporary signage. Always obey workers' signals and drive cautiously to protect everyone's safety in the area. Great job on learning these 50 must-know road signs. Understanding these signs is a key part of being a safe and confident driver. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more essential driving tips. Check out our other videos to continue improving your skills, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safely.